Hello YouTube, it's the Twisted Hunter, and I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to transfer Pokemon from your computer to your DS using IR GTS BW. So you're gonna have to download this thing right here, IR GTS BW, and you're also going to need PokeGen, which you're gonna have to download also. So once you've downloaded those two things, you can open up PokeGen. So click it and open it up. Sorry guys, my computer's kinda lagging here. So you download those two things, you open up PokeGen, you save your Pokemon, and then you can send it to your DS. So I'm going to save an example Pokemon. Hold on a second here. Computer's freezing. Okay, so there, we got it. So I'm going to save an example Pokemon. So let's say we want to get an Abra. So I'm going to nickname this Abra Tutorial, since this is a tutorial. But you can nickname it whatever you would like to name it. Held item, I'm going to give it an adamant orb. And I'll give it aftermath as an ability. Shiny, I'm just picking random stuff, but if you want to salve League Pokemon, you can watch some other videos. They'll teach you how to salve League Pokemon. I'm just doing this as an example for this tutorial. So we can say we found this Pokemon in Black City, and we can say we found it in a Heal Ball. And we could say we found it at level 100. And we could also say we found it in a Fateful Encounter. So I'm going to randomize the IVs and EVs, but you can set it to whatever you want. Just make sure it's League. So I'm going to give it Absorb, Acid. I'm just picking random moves, but you can give it the moves, whatever moves you would like to give it. Just make sure they're League, or yeah. So I'm going to put a random ID here. If you want the game to consider the Pokemon yours, you can put your ID in the game. We'll see it as your Pokemon, then you can rename it and stuff. So for original trainer, I'm just going to put YouTube, but you can put your name if you like. I'm going to give it some ribbons here. Some random ribbons. You can give it whatever ribbons you would like also. And then just make sure you filled in everything, and then when you're done, you can go to File, Save Pokemon, and I'm going to save this Pokemon as Abra Tutorial. Abra Tutorial.Pokemon. And you really have to make sure you pick 136. 136, the first one, or else it won't work. So exit PokeGen and look for the folder where you placed your file. I placed my file in GTS Pokemon, a folder I made. So there we got our Abra Tutorial. So now you open up IR GTS BW. You click it. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention, you need Python. You need Python 2.7.1. I will also leave that in the description for you guys. So you open it up. And then once it's open, hold on a second, let me go to the folder. So once it's open, you go back to the CDM or the black box, you type in S, you go back to your folder where you placed your Pokemon file, and you drag it in, and you just drop it right in. You hit enter, and the Pokemon is ready to send. You now enter the GTS. So you also need to type in your DSN number. Okay guys, so now you go to your settings. Same thing goes for if you have a DSi or a DS Lite. So now you go to internet connection settings, and you go to change settings. So mine is 1.7. Hold on, crap, I don't remember. Oh yeah, okay. And then when you're done, you hit OK. So, okay, hold on a second. Yep, that's it. So, you save it in there. So once you've set the DNS server to your DS, you just exit back to the main menu, and you start up your copy of Pokemon Black or White version. So you talk to this person right here, the last person. You're basically gonna enter the GTS. So you talk to this person, and you go to global trade. You hit GTS. You hit trade. You save your game. Yes. And you just wait. And once it's done saving, you enter the GTS. Yes, so now it's connecting to whichever DNS server. Basically, it's now connecting to your computer, and it's gonna send the Pokemon over. So the Pokemon we made was an Abra, and its nickname was Tutorol, and its original trainer was YouTube. So see, right now it's checking the GTS status. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's right there. And oops, oh shit, oh crap. So yeah, there. And there you have it. We've received our Abra. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys this. You see, I see that? It says tutorial. OT is YouTube. Look at the moves we put. Absorb, acid, acid spray, attack order. So there you have it, guys. That's how you Pokesaf Pokemon with PokeGen and send it to your DS without the use of any sort of device. So comment, rate, subscribe, and that's it, guys.